Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Now we are going to take 2 power x common. So 2 power x open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 20. Now 2 power x times this is 3 equal to 20. Now we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. 3 here, here 3. Now this 3 cancels this. So we have 2 power x equal to 20 by 3. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 2 power x equal to log 20 by 3. Now we are going to apply log power formula, that is log m power p equal to p log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x log 2 equal to log 20 by 3. Now we are going to apply this log formula. Log a by b equal to log a minus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x log 2 equal to log 20 minus log 3. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2 here, here log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 20 minus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to write this 20 as 2 times of 10. So x equal to log 2 times of 10 minus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to apply this log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. So x equal to log 2 by log 2 plus log 10 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now you see this log 2 cancels this. Here it is 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 10 by 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this 10 can be written as 2 times of 5. So x equal to 1 plus log 2 times of 5 minus log 3, here log 2, here also log 2. Now x equal to 1 plus log product formula we are going to apply here. Log 2 plus log 5, here log 2 plus log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. So here 1. So x equal to 1 plus this 1 plus log 5 minus log 3 by this log 2. Now x equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 5 minus log 3 by log 2. Now x equal to, this can be written as per the log formula, log 5 by base 2. We have applied here log a minus log b equal to log a by log b. The formula here is log a by log b equal to log a base b. These two formulas we have applied here. So we got x equal to this value. Now we are going to verify this. Verify with 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. This is 2 power x times 3 equal to 20. We are going to apply x here. X value is this. So 2 power 2 plus log 5 by 3 base 2 times this 3 equal to 20. Now 2 power 2 plus log 5 by 3 base 2 times 3 equal to 20. Now we are going to apply this express identity, that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. So this will give results as 2 power 2 times 2 power log 5 by 3 base 2 times this 3 equal to 20. Now we know that log formula, that a power log b base a equal to b. So we are going to apply this here. So we get this 2 power 2 is 4 times of this is 5 by 3 times this 3 equal to 20. Now this 3 cancels this, so we have 5 times of we have 4 times of 5 is 20 equal to 20. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is the final answer we have verified with the given equation. Thanks for watching this video.